Hello everybody, Mike from Devon's Tractor Parts. So we got a Devon's Tractor Parts exclusive part for your 1468 and 1568 lovers, the big V8s, the V-550. So on the front here you got the fan assembly and you got your water pump. So on the water pump there's this little piece, your pulley for all your running everything that bolts to it. And what happens if over the years, if guys are not careful, they can try taking this piece off that holds the fan blade. If they don't take it off proper, they can crack it and damage this piece. Well, no problem. Devon's Tractor Parts, we got you taken care of. If it is cracked or you end up breaking it when you take it apart, we have new ones available. So you can give us a call at 920-334-1468. That's 920-334-1468, or you can check out our website,